So guys, we're ending Cops and Robbers and we now are going to play a game of you being there's somebody that's a monster and you need to hide from the monster. Okay, that's called demonic game. So yeah, girl, stay with me. Come guys, we gotta go because I see the monster like you. I'm sorry, go, but we need to hide you, hide you. Okay guys, so the monster is clearly not gonna find us. Oh my god, guys, my sister's right here. Oh my god, he's coming. I'm checking the security footage. Guys. He just ran out and went to go grab his thing. Now's the time for us to escape. Come on, let's go. Sis, we gotta go. Keep driving. His car is right there. No, girl, you can't have him. He's gonna definitely see you. Guys, so his car is right over there and we need to run. He's getting out of his car. Guys, he can literally smell the burnt plates. Oh my god. Sis, no! Oh my god, my sister just ran and she doesn't know that way is kind of the way that the demonic happens. And sis! Oh my god, guys, my sister! Ha! Hey! You are this. She's got two hiding spots where my sister was, and I am. How many girls in the next? No, girl, he's right there. Get out He almost saw me. Guys, we gotta be quiet because we don't know the Shh. No, sis! Oh my god, my sister is the monster. The monster is behind. Hell head to the know. My sister just ran all the way there instead of staying here. Doesn't she know that the monster can handle her because the monster is basically addicted to me? And little does she know that I'm the one who created the monster and I'm still gonna practice your loyalty. So, yeah. Guys, I just ran to my sister and she's safe inside here. Bye. Safe inside. Just open the door. Oh my gosh. If this monster finds us, we're killed with it. I think the coast is clear. We're gonna quickly just go check who's there, but yeah.